Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and also welcome to another installment of Try It Out Tuesday. So Try It Out Tuesday is a series that I started quite some time ago where I showcase a product that's new to me that I've never used before, and we try it out together and see how it works. Well, I've got a product that I'm diving into today. It's brand new, kind of brand new. And it's been all over my social media, and it's kind of what I've been looking for, and I grabbed it. It is by NYX or NYX, and it's the Butter Glaze Melt Soft Glow Skin Tint. And this is marketed to be very lightweight, something that will give you a natural glow. And I think it's also probably something beginner friendly, because it's a skin tint. It's not a foundation, so it's not going to give you that full coverage. But I bought it. I cannot wait to try it. So you know how we do over here. I'm going to apply it, test it, wear it, and then come back and we're going to see how it worked and how I liked it. So grab your makeup brushes, grab some popcorn, and we're going to get into this review. So I want to tell you a little bit about this product, but before I do that, let me tell you why I picked it up. The weather is getting warmer, and although I like to wear, I like to look nice and have on a little bit of makeup, I don't want my face to feel heavy. So when I saw the words Buttermelt, Soft Glow, and Skin Tint all in the same sentence, I'm like, NYX. Say less. This is what I want, that lightweight feeling that will give me just a natural radiant glow. So I have a few notes. According to NYX, this product is supposed to be a lightweight skin tint with a buttery smooth texture, buildable coverage, a soft glow finish, and comfortable all-day wear. So basically it's marketed to be your skin, but smoother and more radiant, and perfect if you don't want to look like you're wearing a full foundation. Now about the actual little container here, this is it. Fits in my hand. I like it because it's small, and by the way, I'm in the color 07 Toffee Butter. They have a range of shades, so if this is something you think you might be interested in, go to Ulta's website, that's where I got mine from, or go inside of a store and just look for the color that you may want. But I like it. It's compact, fits in the size, in the palm, not in the palm of my hand, but it's compact, and it has a top on it. So I feel like if I put this in my purse or my makeup bag, I don't have to worry about it squeezing out and making a mess. It has the nice top on it, and with the nozzle you can control how much product that you squeeze out at one time. All right ladies, I zoomed in quite a bit, so let me scoot back. I hope that's not too close. So I'll be blending the NYX with a beauty blender on one side, and the other side I'm using just a regular makeup brush. I have nothing on my skin, not even any moisturizer or primer. I know that we all mostly use at least a moisturizer, but I don't think everyone uses a primer under their foundation or facial products. So no foundation, no primer, and I just kind of did my I have on some eyeliner and a little bit of mascara, so the focus can be on this NYX Buttermelt, and we'll go ahead and apply. I can't really talk and do my face at the same time, so I may have to just let you all hear some nice music. Buttermelt is applied on both sides of my face, it feels like I have nothing on but maybe a moisturizer. So I really like that. I'm going to spend some time in this product and wear it for majority of the day, and we're going to see how it holds up. I can tell you that I would really love it if it would kind of camouflage my pores. That's not a claim of the Buttermelt, so I don't want to get my hopes up for that. But so far, I think it looks really good, and I love the way that it went on. So I'll be back later today, and we'll see how the Buttermelt held up. All right, ladies, I am back. It is much later in the day, many hours later, and regarding the Buttermelt Glaze, I would say the wearability of this product is absolutely delightful. If you're someone with oily skin, you may want to set your T-zone, but if you've got normal to dry skin, this product is a dream. And my skin feels pretty lightweight. It's like I have nothing on my face. And the product, my skin doesn't feel tacky, and I'm pretty satisfied with how it worked out. One thing I did notice, this product, now I did put on just a regular layer of the Buttermelt Glaze, but it was important for me to see that this product didn't really transfer. So you should not have to worry about this getting on your clothes during the day. Or if you hug your child or your husband, significant other, this product should not get on their clothes. May not be a big deal, but it might be a big deal. So there's just a hint of product. I'm not even sure if it's showing up on camera here, but I wanted to just tell you that there's no transfer. Now, again, I put on a thin layer. If you were to build this up, that transfer could be different. I don't know because I didn't try it. I was comfortable with the amount that I put on, and I can still see my birthmark. This is my birthmark. I do have a few little freckles, and little moles, but this was the perfect amount of coverage for me. Okay, so let me tell you, in my opinion, who I think the Buttermelt Glaze is for. If you're that someone who wants a quick and easy complexion product to get you out the door in the morning, this is definitely for you. If you have normal to dry skin, I think this is great because it did not dry my skin out. If you want a soft glow, then I recommend this for you too. And also, if you happen to be watching this video and you're new to makeup, I think this is very beginner friendly. It's very light. You can control the amount of product that you squeeze out and put on your face. And remember, this is not a foundation, so although it's buildable, this is not the product that will give you full coverage. So that's just my take on it. Now, who may not like this? If you have oily skin and don't want the glow, you may not like this. I think if you want a matte finish, this is definitely not for you. And then the third thing, if you want full coverage, not for you. All things I've just kind of touched on before, but overall, it is so user-friendly, and I think it's a pretty versatile product to put on your face. So pearls, my final thoughts are the Buttermelt Glaze Soft Glow Skin Tint is a win for me. It blends like a dream. It gives a natural look, just like a natural glow, not shiny. And if this type of product appeals to you, I think you should try it. And reminder, I am in color 07 Toffee Butter. And I wasn't sure if this was the right one, but I took two. I took this one and another shade up to the cashier and asked for help. And he told me either one would be fine. And if one just absolutely didn't work, to bring it back. I was going to buy two different shades, but I settled on one, and I think this worked out pretty good. So let me know your thoughts about this video, if it's a product that you've tried, if you've heard about this, and if so, did it work for you? All right, pearls. Well, thank you so much for tuning in to Try It Out Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next one.